Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial for the Pixel Gun 3D game. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn off ads. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Pixel Gun 3D game on your device, and once you are taken into the main menu, in order to disable ads, you will simply need to make one tiny purchase. So in order to do this, tap on the store option at the bottom left corner, and now you have various different options to choose from in order to make your purchase. The easiest option is to spend 99 cents in order to either purchase 50 coins or 30 gems. You can also buy demolition packs as well as other merch. Once you have made your choice, you will then be taken into the payment page. Now you can use your Steam wallet funds in order to complete your transaction, or you may add funds if you don't have it as well. From the Add Funds menu, you can now choose your payment method, and when you continue forward, you simply need to enter the credentials of this method. Once you log in and confirm your purchase, the transaction will complete, and now you will stop seeing ads within your game. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to remove all ads from the Pixel Gun 3D game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.